davidsonyabeats.com. Purchase beats with no tags.
Pasla, I do lah. So, my deck. So Jovan can't teach this move because he can't do his own move. So I, limited close time, will teach you this move. What the f? Wrong lah! Okay, and then Vilmos teach.
Deck freeze. So right, for this move, actually I don't. Stupid. For this move, right, you're gonna start off by Z Grip by Kenneth Aiden Fu.
Hey, Vilmos retired, so I'm back. Alright, so you're gonna do a Z grip by Kenneth Lee. And alright, you're gonna do a push off, one card push off by Kenneth Lee. Alright, then you're gonna do an insect by Kenneth Lee, just the front part. Flip it over, right? You're gonna grip it over. This is called the Kenneth Lee grip. Alright, and now you're gonna do a Charlian. You're gonna flip it over. Remember, you have to flip it over the Kenneth Lee sub. Then you're gonna close and push it up. Alright. So this move was originated by Kenneth Lee, but Jovan just stole all my mechanics, and it's perfectly fine because this move. I like to variate this move by doing different things. Alright, when you get to this position, you can also do a revolution. Wow, then that looks insane. That looks absolutely
Oh, this
insane.
is my jam.
Vilmos, you would you like to teach a variation?
Yes,
Would you like to
sure.
use my deck?
So my variation is really different from others. Instead of doing a Charlier cut, you do a thumb cut, just
Oh.
like this, and then you drop it there, and you're done.
Wow, Vilmos, there's a lot of creativity there. I wish I had your creativity.
I know, right?
That is insane. Jovan, what do you have to say about your move?
All of this stuff.
Wow, that was really offensive.
He doesn't want to
Actually,
admit it.
major, yeah.
He doesn't want to admit it. Just so you know, I hope you enjoy learning my move.
There's Vilmos in the background.
I hope you guys enjoy learning my move. Fuck all of them.
Don't say fuck us. Just say we did a great job.
Just hope you enjoy learning my move, dumpster. Enjoy. Yalla, you what the f*** is that?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.